Hello and welcome to Poké and a unboxing of a Mabosstiff EX box with a big card and everything. Try not to hit anything as I turn it over. Play like a boss, blah 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 blah. So let's get in it. Come on. There we go. So the code card, Mabosstiff, and the Mabosstiff EX card. The giant Mabosstiff card. Don't know if I'm going to start collecting the big cards or not. They're a bit clumsy, but so 2 Paradox Rift, a Silver Tempest, and a Obsidian Flame. A little mix there to be had. So let's start as they are, I suppose. Obsidian Flame. Oops, pick that up in a minute. I don't know if this is a 4 or a 1. It's a 1. Radio. So, Lightning Energy, Houndour, Tadbulb, Steenie, a Pardane Wooper, a Lunatone, Tasserine, or was that Serene? Something like that. Lycanroc, Lavatar, Reverse Hollow, Cryogonal, and a Hollow Greta. Very nice. Put that one aside, not mix me packs up. Silver Tempest. Yeah. So there's the card, and this one is for Darkness Energy, Stone Journeyer, Ferrothorn, Leafy Camo Poncho, Petilil, something like that. Ferroseed, Chinchou, a Pikachu. Haven't had a Pikachu in a while. Ponyta, Reverse Hollow Meowstick, a Hollow Crobat. Keep that over there so I know what set that is. Then Paradox Rift. Oh, behave myself. A code card. Get that out of the way. So, a Grass Energy, Toxel, Spinder, Nimble, Elekid, Crocodile, Technical Machine Evolution, Vanillux, yeah. Reverse Hollow Flamigo, Reverse Hollow Absol. Oh, and an Iron Hands EX Future. I've only not had that card before. Very nice. And the last pack out of this lot. Paradox of the Rift again. Sorry, get rid of my rubbish. Boom, 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 boom. So, a Psychic Energy. Spinder. Tinkatink. Tandemaus. Dweeble. Snorlax Doll. Tinkaton. Tatsugiri. Reverse Hollow Toedscruel. Reverse Hollow Gimmeowl. Gimmeowl. Oh, and a Hello Professor Sada's Vitality Ancient. Very nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. You all take care and have a great day.